Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And today I am going to show you what my team has done in changing the chicken coop. I wanted something that was not just larger, but more open, and where they could also go outside and eat things instead of just eating the compost scraps that we give them. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, you've probably seen my old chicken coop, which was much smaller and much darker. So here we go. I'm going to show you this now. So it started with making it a larger coop, and I wanted it to be fenced in an area that they could leave and then they could also eat. So what we did was we put a fence here and just put a lot of fencing around. So this whole area, they can come out and eat and look for bugs and anything else they need. But this is the new chicken coop. What we did was we used the regular zinc that we had before. We just made it 2 levels because the chickens were getting really crowded in the smaller one. And put a nice door here, some good fencing. So now I can divide the chickens much better. Much better. Let me see if I can make the door here. Hey there, little one. So, oh, I got stuck here. We used, like I like to use all the wood that is from the farm. So we cut the wood that I have here on the farm. I did buy the wiring for to keep them more secure, and but we did use all the wood here. So I have 4 separate areas now. Here I have my japonesas, and one is laying eggs over there now. And then this area is where we made caja boxes where they can lay. My big ones are up here right now. That's going to change when I get a few more ponedoras. And then I have a couple more areas. So I like it like this because they can spread out. They have more room, more sunlight. There's another box over there so they can lay. And it is more secure with this type of fencing as well. The other chicken coop was just much darker. It was secure, but just too dark. So now I have 4 areas, and it's perfect because now I can lay more eggs and have more chickens in different areas, so they're not killing each other, and they actually have just more room. So might be a little bit harder right now with the water because we do have to put water in each area, but I'm thinking that we're gonna bring a water line here like I did with the sheep corral, so it automatically gives the water to the chickens as well. So it's nothing better than having your own chickens for eggs and meat, and a nice big area to house them. And again, here's the fencing over here. But the guys did a really nice job. I'm pretty pleased. I think the next thing we're going to do is make sure they have an exit to leave out of here, because this outdoor area is fenced as well, so they can come out in and out when they want to. All right. Thanks for watching.